Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get small business relief grant of up to $10,000 with step-by-step guide. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please don't forget to like this video. It shows that you guys support the channel, and at the same time it helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's start the video, and as always, let's start the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yes, after a lot of messages and requests and comments, the people of North Carolina, right here, it's an opportunity in front of you. Yes, you can get this small business grant, and grant means free money with simple steps, and you can get it. It means you are not going to give it back. Yes, it's free money. So I will tell you step by step how you can get it. I will also tell you all the perks and the upside and the downsides of this grant, and believe me, there is no downsides because grant means free money and you don't have to pay it back. Yes, and remember one more thing, that I'm going to take you to a demonstration of the application as well. So we will go over the application step by step, that how you can fill it and what sort of documents you need in order to get this grant. Remember, you don't have much time, you only have 2 weeks to do that, so do it as soon as possible. But before moving forward, let's give you a simple overview. This is a Durham grant program. The city of Durham and Duke University have partnered with Carolina Small Business Development Fund to establish the Durham Small Business Recovery Fund to provide loan and grant funds for small businesses affected by the pandemic. So yes, I'm not rushing the video. I'm not gonna get into the detail because it's a grant and all we care about right here, that how we can get it and how we can apply it. So now let's talk about the eligibility. So the eligibility is simple, right? Your business must be an independently located within Durham city or county limits. So if your business is inside like the premises of Durham city or county, then you are good to go. That's the first requirement. Now let's talk about the second one. For-profit businesses, including but not limited to sole proprietorship or home businesses, and independent contractors as well, right? So now let's go towards the third one. Businesses with 25 or fewer full-time employees. So yes, if you have 1 to 25 employees, and when it comes to 1, it means that if you are the only employee in your business, yes, you can apply for it and you can get it. Now the fourth one is franchises are only eligible if franchisor is independent or locally owned. So you know, I'm not gonna elaborate it. Yes, if you are the owner or independently owning the franchise, then you can get it. Now the fifth one, and this is really important, businesses with revenues of 500,000 or less according to the most recent tax filing. So yes, if your revenue for 2019 is 500,000 or less than 500,000, then you are good to go. You can get this grant of $10,000, and grant means free money. Now the next one is businesses who have been operating for at least 1 year or more. Yes, your business has to be operative for at least 1 year or more. So yes, if you think that your business was established for at least 1 year, then you are good to go. Now the next one, businesses must demonstrate it is experienced at least 25% decline in revenue due to pandemic. Yes, so you have to show them that you have been impacted by the pandemic, and that's why you have actually suffered a loss or a decrease in your profit for at least 25%. I'm not gonna go into the detail because you know there are a lot of things that you can do to show it, and I always tell you guys, never ever lie in any of your government fund applications, especially when it comes to grants, because you don't want to ruin your life, your career, or your business, because these things are connected to it. So please never ever lie in any of the application. Now the next one is the business has not filed the bankruptcy. Of course, this is one thing that they require. If your business never filed the bankruptcy, then you are good to go. Now the second last one is that businesses does not have any current or open judgment or tax lien. So this is something I'm gonna leave it on you. And the last one is ineligible businesses include non-profits, real estate investment firms when the real estate property will be held for investment purposes. So yes, these are the things, right? And the grant amount, it's gonna be 2x average to the monthly expense from the most recently filed tax returns, or $10,000, whichever is less, right? So now let's talk about the required documentation, and the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So they require the completed grant application. Of course, I'm gonna take you on a tour of it, and then a statement describing how the pandemic has impacted your business. So yes, you can actually show them your profit and loss statement, and this is exactly what they require, or your bank statement that hey, your revenue has been decreased because of this pandemic. A certificate of good standing and most recently completed and filed business tax returns of 2018 or 2019. Both are optional. So now a most recently completed file tax returns, of course these are the same thing, so I am not going to get into it. Your payroll documentation or quarterly unemployment insurance filing, so whatever you have. Your monthly sales revenue, and I'm again telling you that monthly sales revenue means your profit and loss statement. If you have already provided it, just like right here, then you are good to go. And the last but not the least, recipient banking information, including your routing, checking account number, and copy of your wired check because of this funds depositing purpose. So if you're gonna give them, then they're gonna deposit the money into your bank account using this data. So now let's see how the application looks like. So let's click on it. So as soon as you click on it, this application will open. It will tell you each and everything again, but couple of things to remember. You can only apply for one business. You have to complete this application entirely. You cannot edit it, you cannot save it. So remember, once you start, you have to finish it. If you think that hey, you have made some mistake, close the application, open it again, and just fill it out, the complete application again, right? And the other things I've already mentioned and described. So let's click on next page. As soon as you do that, it's going to ask you for pre-qualification, and then it's going to ask you the questions such as, is your business is currently active or in good standing in North Carolina's Secretary of State? How many employees do you have? If your business is physically located in the county or city of Durham, your business is owned or employs of Duke University, and then your business earned less than 500,000. I already told you it should be at least 500 or less than 500,000 in order for you to get this grant. The other things are pretty internal and straightforward. I'm not gonna get into that. So please remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video. Till then, take care.